Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video I am going to be cleaning out my fridge. As you can see, it is pretty messy. We have a lot of leftovers that need to be gone through and probably tossed. Some things that are old, a bunch of things that are just in boxes still, like yogurts, eggs, butter, all those things I'm gonna unpack and put away into their little bins like they should be. I just have so much stuff piled up. Like I said, a lot of leftovers. And on the side here as well, looks like I spilled some soy sauce. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but we're gonna get all of these cleaned out, all these little side drawers here as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start by emptying out these main shelves so I can kind of go through everything, start putting things where they belong, and going through all my leftovers and all that good stuff. I am not going to take absolutely everything out at this time. I'm just going to concentrate on these like 3 main shelves. Then once I'm finished with that, I'll move on to the veggie and like cheese drawers, and then I'll finish off on the side here. And I do that just because I'm constantly getting pulled in other directions. My kids need things and things like that, so I don't want to have absolutely everything out if I don't need to have it out. I don't know, that's just kind of why I do it that way. Okay, so I'm just going to start a little bit of organizational things here, just putting all my butter away. I think in one of my last organizational videos, you guys see I have a butter issue, I have a butter problem. So I'll get all of this put away and start working on the eggs. My family goes through so many eggs in a week, so I usually do end up with getting 2 dozen or so a week. And then I'll start putting all the items back in and making it look all nice and organized.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego.
Okay, y'all, and also just an FYI, this was on like, I believe, Saturday morning-ish, and I hadn't gotten ready for anything yet, so I had no makeup on. I'm in my pajamas, and just got annoyed with the fridge, so decided I wanted to clean it. So definitely try not to judge my appearance, because yeah, I just decided I'm cleaning and I don't want to wait until I get dressed or ready.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
I just kind of go through everything and make sure that the expiration date hasn't passed and that everything looks good. And then I'm just going to start putting away all the condiments, try and pair them up as much as I can, and also by their size based on, how big my shells are. And we'll just put all these things away and then move on to the fruit and veggie and cheese meat drawers.
Your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble lacking, everlasting ego. Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
I got these red little baskets at the Dollar Tree and I really like them. Sometimes I'll put berries in there or whatever else, veggies that, we have. These carrots, they tend to get watery and that kind of bugs me. So I like putting the carrots in these little baskets because they don't let the water touch the carrots. It kind of drains out a little bit. So I really like these from the Dollar Tree.
Met you in the doorway, and a friend of a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'd do it all over again. At your place over spring break, a heartache. I do it all over again. Do it all over again.
Just a little more organizing with the string cheese. I like to tear these apart individually. They're easier to grab, and then also my boys lately have been able to just go into the refrigerator by themselves and grab a string cheese for a snack, and it's just nice and easy to not have to rip it apart each time. This is going to be the final product here. So much better, of course, than what we started with. Can actually see what I have. All of the icky leftovers have been thrown out. All the good ones are still back in the fridge. The sides here are nice and organized, clean, no more soy sauce. These little areas, nice and organized again. And just more functional. I don't have as many like baskets as maybe I could in here, or like little drawers or tubs, whatever. But like it's really just is it functional, and does it work for our family, which it does. I have all the fruits in here. some veggies and salad. All nice and neat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please consider watching another one. I'll see you all next time. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.